Hello everyone, this is Shams from NovaStar. Today I want to introduce a new function of our ViNova platform, Project Solutions. This new feature can help you configure LED screen solutions and help you choose the right controller for different projects. You only need to enter your screen parameters and interface requirements, and the system will automatically calculate the required equipment for you, making your display configuration more convenient and quick. First, we need to enter the ViNova platform. On the left side, we can see Project Solutions button, and we click this, we'll get this menu. And here we select Create Screen Solution. And now we will get in this pop-up menu. So the solution configuration is divided into 3 steps. In the first step, we need to enter some basic screen information. And in the second step, the system will automatically calculate the solution based on the screen information. In the third step, we can save the solution and export it as a file to send to the end customer. Okay, let's do the first part, screen information. There are many different parameters we need to input. Here, first, aspect ratio. We can choose custom or other parameters here. And the total width, total height, for our screen, and unit type for module or cabinet, and the pixel pitch of our screen, and dimensions and resolution, and also module connector. Let's take an example here. We can choose the total width unit as pixels, and we input the width as 1024.960. Okay, unit type we select module, and pixel pitch we can select P2.5, and the dimension we select 320 by 160, and resolution will be calculated automatically. And module connector, we can choose the normal hub 75. Okay, this is the first step. Second step, we need to select the input connector, what we need to use. For example, here, we just select one HDMI 1.3. Okay, so here we already finished all the information the system need to use. And we click Next. Okay, so we already get the whole solution for this screen. In the first part, screen information, we can check all the different parameters of the screen and module, and also the layout. In the second part, and we can select the different receiving cards and the LED display controller, like VX400, 600. And in the Splicer part, we can choose the H2, Splicer and all-in-one card solution, and also we can choose Splicer and LED display controller solution. And in the part of the LED playback control processor, we can choose the TU series like TU15 Pro, TU20 Pro. And in the LED display controller, we can choose the M-Control series like 600, 660, 700, and MST 600. Okay, so we can choose the different solution, different controller and receiving card based on our project. And in the third part, it's about accessories. And we can add accessories such as light sensor, fiber converter, and multifunction card according to the actual project needs. And here we can check the quantity of the Ethernet cable and flat cable and magnet. Okay, so in the fourth part, and we can check the solution diagram. First is device connection, and we can use a PC to give the video source to VX400, and use a VX400 to load the screen by Ethernet cable. And also we can check the receiving card connection here. We can know the order of the Ethernet port and receiving card order, and also will tell you how many modules in one cabinet and how to connect it. Okay, so after this we already know all the information, and now we can save the solution, and we give him name and click OK. Okay, so the solution already been saved successfully. And now we can back to the project solutions and enter my solutions interface. So we will check the new solution here. And we can copy it or edit it or rename and download. After we download it, we can send it to our customer directly. Okay, so this is our new function, project solutions. Thank you for your listening.